Guys, welcome to my kitchen again. I've been super busy baking. I hope you're doing well. Don't forget, ring the bell right away so you'll receive all my newest recipes and tips and all my videos by email, okay? And of course, sharing is caring, so don't forget to tell anybody you know that's on a health journey, that is just a foodie and loves low fat, low carb. I mean, not everything's low carb, but there's a lot of low carb options for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, after a workout, dessert recipes, holiday recipes, casseroles, you name it. And of course, my podcasts about my journey to help other people. All right. So, paying it forward is what I love to do. Okay, my oven is preheating to 425 degrees, and my husband's also cooking in here. Take a nice big cookie sheet because we are going to be making, I've heard all about like cauliflower popcorn, and I just love the name popcorn, and I love popcorn, of course, and I've been making cauliflower this way for years, but I just love the name, so we're going to call it an Italian cauliflower popcorn dish. But before I start, I just want to show you that I made a chocolate peanut butter, a high protein chocolate peanut butter breakfast muffin. I know, don't they look delish? And check out my sausage skillet. We made that for dinner. Super delicious. And I'm going to do with the 2-ingredient dough. I've already tried it. I was experimenting. I had made cinnamon buns, cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to call these chocolate peanut butter and jam rolls. Okay, so here they are. All right. And they're super delicious too. So stay tuned for those recipes. All right, getting started. What are you going to need? About 4 to 5 cups of cauliflower. Wash it well. You can make it as big or as little as you want. We're going to need about a tablespoon or so of olive oil, about 3 smart points. I'm using this Zerto cheese, Parmesan cheese, and 2 tablespoons is 1 smart point. So find whatever cheese you want. Again, my recipes are versatile. About a teaspoon or so of some Italian seasoning, about a teaspoon of some garlic powder. I have some smoked paprika that I just bought in bulk. A little bit of pepper, and now this, a 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast. Now, again, I buy this at the Bulk Barn in a bulk store. If you can find it in a box, I've never found it. A 1/3 cup is only going to be 1 smart point, and it has so many nutritional benefits. So I wrote it down. It's a source of B vitamins, especially B6. 1 serving, which is 2 tablespoons, contains nearly 10 milligrams of vitamin B6. I know. Improves digestion. Contains beneficial protein, thiamine, which can aid in weight loss. Promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. And you can use it as a thickening agent. You can put it in your favorite salads. You can put it on veggies, of course, and add to smoothies. I know, so who knew? All right, so we're going to add a tablespoon of some nice olive oil, extra virgin. Just going to let you see. Nice tablespoon. All right, and I'm going to put in, I like to shake, so I'm going to say about a good tablespoon of some garlic powder. You can make it up ahead of time and just put it in a bowl if you want. I'm going to add some pepper, so probably about a teaspoon or so. Some smoked paprika. I'm going to put in about a good tablespoon. And if you don't want to, you can just use regular paprika. It gives it a nice color. All right, and mix that around. Like so. And I like to just take some olive oil spray because then it's less calories, right? So we're just going to spray a little bit over the cauliflower, just a little bit. And I'll do it one more time just to coat it a bit more. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my low-fat cheese. I love this brand. So 1, 2, and then my nutritional yeast on top. Okay, just like that. And we're just going to mix it. I know I had my tongs here. Just get another set and just coat it all around. So easy. And some Italian seasoning. So I'm going to put in about a teaspoon. Just looking around to see if I missed anything, because you know, I wanted some sea salt, some actually Himalayan salt. I love that. Just a little bit. Brings out the flavor. And mix. All right, so I have my parchment paper. And you're going to bake it for about, I don't know, 40, 45 minutes. Maybe less. It depends how crispy you like it. After about 20 minutes, just check it. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on my sheet and mix it again. If you want more olive oil, you can add more olive oil. You want more cauliflower, you can add more cauliflower. And I like to just make sure it's all blended in. And don't worry if there's just extra crumbs. It's okay. And I even like to spray it again a little bit. If you want, just a drop, and stick it in the oven. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like in a bit. Back, and here is the delicious popcorn cauliflower. So it's Italian style, all right? And doesn't it look so good? It's super crispy, really delicious. I love the flavor with the nutritional yeast and the cheese, the smoked paprika, yum. And again, you want to keep it in a bit longer so they get nice and crispy. I want to just show you. And keep them in your fridge. Eat them right away. Serve them as a side dish for yourself, for company, okay? As a little nosh would be good. A snack, okay? And super yummy. And I've been so busy. I just finished making a delicious chocolate peanut butter and jam. What did I call it? A roll, a Danish. Yes. I've been in my kitchen too long. It's time to go and relax. All right. Take care. Love you guys. Don't forget to tell me what you think. And visit my group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. My website, www.risawiner.com. And Risa's Piece 8 on Instagram. All right. And share with everybody. All right. Mwah. Bye for now.